I welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 28 for grade 3 mathematics. A quick revision from yesterday class we will do, then we will continue from here where we left, a conversion from meter to centimeter. And today we will also see the conversion. We will learn the conversion from centimeter to meter and millimeter as well. Then we will move to the new topic, that is how much fruit. So guys, we have learned about the conversion, that how we can convert a value into meter and a value which is given in meter into centimeter and millimeter. For that conversion, I'm coming to the new screen. You know the basic facts that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter, right? So from conversion from meter to centimeter, whenever a value is given in meter and you have to find out the value in centimeter, so the easy way to find out is to multiply it by 100. Or if the value is given in centimeter and you have to find out it in millimeter, so the easy way to multiply it by 10 and you will find it. Okay. Now, if I ask you how many millimeter are there in 1 meter, so that is also very easy. From if you want to convert any value from meter to millimeter, so you have to multiply it by 100 first, then that you have to multiply it by 10 first. So 100 multiplied by 10 is equals to 1000. 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeter. If you are given any value in meter and you have to find out that value in millimeter, so just you need to multiply it by 1000 and you will find out the answer. There were some examples we did, like if I ask you 0.8 meter, before 0.8 meter, if I ask you, let's suppose 2 meter equals to how many centimeter? So you multiply 2 by 100, you will say sir 2 meter is equals to 200 centimeter. Okay. If I ask you 200 centimeter is equals to how many millimeter? So you will multiply 200 by 10 and you will say sir 2000 millimeter. Are you getting my point? So this is the way that how you can convert. But what if I give the value in the decimals, like zero point 0.8 meter? The formula will be same, the technique will be same, just you need to revise how you will have to multiply a decimal number by 100. So to convert any value in from meter to centimeter, you multiply by 100. It is 0.8 meter, you multiply by 100. To multiply by 100, you will move the point from left side to right side two times. Why two times? Because in 100 there are two zeros. One time you move, it will become 8, and one more time you move, so you will add one zero on the right side and put the point after the zero. So it will become 80 centimeter. That's mean 80 centimeter. Now, to find out the millimeter, you will multiply zero point 0.8 by 1000. Move the point from left side to right side three times. One time 8, two time 80, and three time 800. Or you can multiply, yeah, because you know now centimeter 80, so you can directly multiply 80 by 10 also. If you multiply 80 by 10, even then you will get 800. In that way you can find the value of millimeters, right? Up to here, do you understand everything, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, sir.
this is very good.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir. Yes,
Mm.
sir. Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions up to here?
No, sir. I don't have any
No,
question.
sir. No,
No, sir,
sir.
I don't have
No,
any
sir.
I don't
question,
have
sir.
any
No,
question.
no, sir. No, no. No,
That's very good. Now take out your notebooks. You must have taken out and start your work. Today is 23 and it is Tuesday, 23 Feb, Tuesday. See, 0.9 meter. 0.9 multiplied by 100. Remember the question, guys. Question is convert the following measurements from meter to centimeter and millimeter. So 0.9 multiplied by 100 and also 0.9 multiplied by 1000. Can you tell me that value in the centimeter and millimeter, guys? Yes. In the chat box, please, can you tell me the answer? No, yeah. 900 watt. 90 watt jihad, Muhammad. 0.900, 0.9 multiplied by 100 equals to 90. Answer is right, but 90, it will be 90 centimeter. That's very good. Ahmad Jibrail, very good. Jihad Al Sayyid, very good. It will be 90 centimeter. That's very good. And for millimeter, 0.9 multiplied by 1000, and that will be 900 millimeter. I tell you guys how. When you multiply 0.9 by 100, so point is here. It will move from left side to right side 2 times. One time it will move, it will become 9, and one more time it will move, it will become 90. Here, you have to move 3 times point because it is 1000. One time 9, 90, and then 900. So this is your answer. Now we'll write D. D is 4 meter. It's very easy. 4 multiplied by 100. Convert 4 meter to centimeter and millimeter. 4 multiplied by 100 is equals to 400 centimeter. And 4 multiplied by 1000 is equals to this is 4 multiplied by 100, and this is 4 multiplied by 1000. 4 multiplied by 100 is equals to 400 centimeter, and 4 multiplied by 1000 is equals to 4000 millimeter. Yes, guys. Any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
That's very good. Are you writing with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
That's very good. That's very good. That's very good. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now E 0.5 meter. This is 0.5 meter. So again, guys, to find out how many centimeter multiplied by 100, and to find out how many millimeter multiplied by 1000. Send your answers in the chat box, guys. Eham, very good. Jihad Al Sayyid, very good. Ahmed Jibrail, very good. Jihad Muhammad, very good. Anas Al Sayyed. Okay, very good. But 50 and 500 what? Write the unit also. Okay. So guys, this is 50 centimeter and this is 500 millimeter. When you multiply 0.5 by 100, so point will move to right side 2 times. One time it will move, it will become 5. Two times it will move, it will become 50. 0.5 multiplied by 1000, the point will move 3 times. One time it will 5, 50 and then 500. Clear guys?
Yes, sir. Very clear.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Very clear.
Very
Yes.
clear. Very clear. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That's very good. Guys, after that, we will come to see if the value is given in centimeter or millimeter, or you have to convert it into from millimeter to centimeter or millimeter to meter or centimeter to meter. Then what will you do? Okay. Up to here, what you were doing, you were converting the value which was given in meter into centimeter or millimeter. Okay. So this was very easy. You were just multiplying. But now I'm going to tell you if the value is given in centimeter and millimeter, how you can convert into the meter. Okay. So let's move to the new screen. I'm going to erase it first. So guys, you know the conversion. You know the if the value is given in meter, we multiply by 100 to find out the value in centimeter. If the value is given in centimeter, in order to find the value in millimeter, you multiply it by 10. So same as guys, you as you did in conversion of gram to kilogram also. For finding out the value from centimeter to millimeter, you will divide it by 100. You will divide it by 100. If any value is given in centimeter and you have to find out how many meter is that, so just divide it by 100. Same here, if any value is given in millimeter and you have to find out how much meter is that, so do the opposite of this, divide it by 10. Let's suppose if I give you the value that is 300 centimeter. Okay. And if I ask you, tell me how many meter is that? So you know that the value is given in centimeter and I'm asking the value in meter. So from centimeter to meter, what you will do, you will divide it by 100. This 0 cancel with this 0 cancel with this 0 and it will be only 3. So you will say, sir, it is 3 meter. And if I ask you that, students, if the value is 800 millimeter, find out how much centimeter is that. So you will divide it by 10 like this. This 0 will be cancelled by this 0 and it will be only 80. So you will say, sir, it will be 80 centimeter. Okay, I'm repeating, I have not finished. Okay. So guys, when you convert a value from centimeter to meter, so you will divide by 100. When you convert a value from millimeter to centimeter, you will divide by 10. And if the value is given in millimeter and you have to convert into meter, so 110, that's mean divide by 1000. Okay. So simply you will do the opposite. Like from meter to centimeter, you multiply by 100. So if you have value in centimeter, and you have to convert into meter, so you will divide by 100. Same, if from centimeter to millimeter, what you do, you multiply by 10. If the value is given in millimeter and you have to find out in centimeter, so you will divide it by 10. Clear, guys? I will give you more examples.
Yes, sir. Very
Yes,
clear.
sir. Give us more
Yes, sir,
examples.
clear.
Yes, sir. Give us more example.
Good. Okay, look, let's suppose if I ask you, that the value is 500 centimeter. Okay, 500 centimeter. Tell me how much meter is that? So simply you will divide by 100. 0 0 cancel, this 0 cancel. The answer is 5. So you will say, sir, 500 centimeter is equals to 5 meter. Okay, same here, if I give you the value that is 5000 millimeter, if I ask you how much centimeter is that, so millimeter to centimeter we divide by 10. So you divide by 10, 1 0 cancelled with 1 0, and it will be 500 centimeter, like this. Okay, and guys, I need to tell you one more thing. Let's suppose, if I give you the value in centimeter, if I say 300 centimeter, okay, and I give you the length in centimeter and I ask you to find out the meter and the millimeter. Again, I am repeating. I am asking, convert this value into meter and millimeter as well. So you know, this is centimeter, right? This is centimeter. To convert it into meter, you will divide it by 100. And to convert it into millimeter, from centimeter to milliliter, you will multiply by 10. Again, I am repeating, the value I have given, that is in centimeter. I am asking, convert this into meter as well and millimeter as well. Okay. So for millimeter, you will have to multiply it by 10, because the value is in centimeter and 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. But for meter, you need to divide by 100, because there are 100 centimeter in 1 meter. So what you will do, 300 divided by, first you will write 300 for centimeter, for meter, divided by 100, 0 cancel with 0, this 0 cancel with this 0, and the answer is 3. That's mean you will say, sir, 300 centimeter is equals to 3 meter. And how much millimeter? For millimeter, you will multiply it by, for millimeter, you will multiply it by 10. So 300 multiplied by 10 is equals to, add 1 0, 300, and this 0, it will become 3000. So you will say, sir, 3000 millimeters. So if I give you the value in centimeter, you can also convert this in millimeter and meter. Is it clear, guys, now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
sir.
clear.
Yes, sir, very clear.
Sir, and if I will do it to
Yes,
meter,
sir.
we will
Very,
divide
very,
to
very
100.
clear.
That's very good. Just you should know the basic conversion, that 1 meter is equals to how many centimeter and 1 centimeter is equals to how many millimeter. Obviously, to find out the bigger value, you do multiplication, and to find out the smaller value, you do division. Okay. So if you convert any value from meter to centimeter, obviously there will be more centimeter in meters. So you have to multiply. But if you convert any value from centimeter to meter, obviously that will be less than centimeter. So for less than, you will have to do division. Same is here for centimeter to millimeter as well, because in 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeter. So if you convert any value from centimeter to millimeter, that will be more than the value which you are converting. And if you convert the millimeter value into centimeter, so that will be less, because in uh, 10 millimeter there is only in 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeter. So let's come to the notebook again, and we will start work. And I'm going to start it with new page. Hmm. And this is conversion from centimeter to meter and millimeter. Conversion from centimeter to millimeter, meter and millimeter. Convert following measurements from centimeter to meter and millimeter. So this is very easy. I'm going to write 400 centimeter, let's suppose. So 400 centimeter, how I will convert? To convert into millimeter, to convert into meter, I will have to divide. So 400 divided by 100 is equals to 4 meter, and 400 multiplied by 10, because I need to find out how much millimeter is that. So it will be 4000 millimeter. The value is now given in centimeter. You have to find out how much meter is that. So you will divide it by 100. 400 divided by 100, 4. And for millimeter, you will multiply by 10. It will be 4000. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Everything is
sir.
clear for us, sir. Sir, 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 sir. Yes, sir. Sir, everything is clear for us every time we go in.
I want to tell you.
Very good. If you have any question, yes, Jibrail, tell me. Tell me in the chat. I'm reading your message. The question B. Yes, Jibrail, you can type it. Okay. All right. Okay, guys. Yes, Abdulaziz, ask question. And 400 multiplied by this. Now we have to write B. Look, guys, the B is um 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter. You have to convert this into meter also and millimeter also. 60 centimeter. So this is 60 divided by 100 for meter, and it should be 60 multiplied by 10 for millimeter. 60 divided by 100. For this, I will move to the new screen. Here I will tell you again how you will divide a value when this is 60 and you have to divide by 100. So guys, dividing means the point is here, right? Dividing means to move the point to left side. How many times? 2 times, because there are 2 zeros. One time it will be 6. 2 time it will be 0.6. Again, I repeat guys, as you know, division is opposite of multiplication. So in multiplication, you move point from left to right like this. But in division, you move point from right to left like this. The point is here, 60.0. So you will move it 2 times because there are 2 zeros. One time you will move, it will become 6. 2 times you will move, it will be there, and you will add 0. That will be 0.6. So 60 centimeter is equals to 0.6 meter. And for millimeter, it's very easy. 60 multiplied by 10 is equals to 600. 600. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Very clear.
Yes, sir.
Clear,
Very
clear, sir.
That's very good.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Very clear.
That's very good. That's very good. 0.6 meter, and this will become 60 multiplied by 10 is equals to 600 millimeter. Now see. Now we have to write about C. 530 centimeters. 530 centimeters. So guys, the same formula you will apply. The value is given in centimeter. You have to find out how much millimeter and how much meter is that. 530 divided by 100 and 530 multiplied by 10. 530 divided by 100. You will move the point, as you are dividing by 100, you will move the point to the left side. How many times? 2 times, because there are 2 zeros. The point is here after 0. One time you will move, it will become